Alright, I'm out here at McKinney Avenue in Albertville, and as you can see, there's been a slight change here, unfortunately. And that is this gate arm here got replaced, so no more folding gate arm here. I'm guessing I'm wondering if it just got struck, and that's why they replaced it. But definitely a shame to see. The gate lights on it now, instead of being the NEG Alstom ones, they are just the regular old NEG LED gate lights, like what you find, like the Rico style ones, as you can see up there. I mean, thankfully that GS Type 1 still appears to be there, so. Yeah, just a quick update here. We'll have to see about getting a video here sometime. But tomorrow, starting tomorrow at 5, shelter in place order. So I'm not going to be doing anything, I mean, I'm going to be at least at the time of recording this video, so I mean, you'll probably already seen where I've posted about it and such. So yeah, just thought I'd get this quick update here at McKinney Avenue in Albertville. Over and out.